my own teaching. So we're going to show you guys the basics of Forex because 95% of you have no clue how to trade Forex, and you probably need to be taught the basics again. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now, we did teach Forex a little bit earlier into the green room, but I never taught it personally to you guys, so I think that it's my turn now to take the opportunity to go ahead and show you guys some of the basics of trading. Okay, so this is MT4. This is called the MT4 platform. And the MT4 platform is what most of the Forex traders use in order to place their positions in the market. Now, we use Thinkorswim. And Thinkorswim is a great tracking program, but I prefer to use Thinkorswim when trading binary options simply due to the fact that it is very user-friendly, and it also offers this nice clock at the top that allows for you to see exactly when to enter into the trades, and it has 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute time frames. M4 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month. All right. Now, it works a little bit different with MT4, because when you're trading on the MT4 platform, your brokerage account is usually going to be linked to the MT4 platform almost 99% of the time. So, for example, let's say you sign up for a Vantage FX account or an FXCM account. This particular MT4 platform is with Vantage FX, and Vantage FX is their own broker. So Vantage FX is essentially going to provide for you the platform that you can trade, and they're also going to act as your broker when you're placing your investments into the interbank market, and they're going to pay you out as well. So they're going to act like the Boss Capital and the Cherry Trade for us. However, they're regulated. Now, when you're dealing with looking at your platform, you have a couple different things that you absolutely need to know. For one, you need to understand how to place the currency pair on your chart. So I'll set up the AUDJPY, for example. By the way, if you guys don't understand how to get this, I'm going to show you all how to get it right now before I even show you how to set it up. So if you have a Mac, which I do, you can go to vantagefx.com. And you can also use this. You can also do this on Windows, I believe. And go to, let's see. Let's say trial a demo. I think that'll work. Open a demo account. Go to trial a demo. Fill in your information, and they're going to give you a download link for either Mac or for Windows. And you're going to be able to do that. If you need this link, I'm going to go ahead and post it inside of the chat. All right, so there's the link for Forex to get your Vantage FX demo account. Now, once you have your demo account, it should look like, oh, it looks like my account actually closed. Let me reopen it. This thing crashes a lot for me. All right, so once you have the account, you can rewatch this video if you don't understand the stuff that I'm talking about, but you're going to need to open up a currency pair, whichever currency pair you're trading. And so to do that, you'll go to this Market Watch tab, and you'll right-click, and you'll go to New Chart Window, and you'll click it. And that'll open up a chart window. Now, you can have 1 chart, 2 charts, 3 charts, or 4 charts. You don't really want to set up 8 charts. But if you want to set up another chart, just go to another currency pair in the chart window, and you can just drag that chart next to the other chart, and you can change the size of it if you want. You can make it bigger. So that's one of the cool things about MT4 is that you can change the chart sizes like this to your liking, just like you can do with Thinkorswim. So at least there's some functionality there. So after that, you want to make sure that your time frame is correct. Okay, so if you're going to be trading Forex, you're definitely not going to be trading on the 1 minute time frame unless your nickname is Numbnuts. You're going to trade at least on the 5 or the 15 or the 1 hour or the 4 hour. You're not going to trade on the 1 minute time frame, or else your nickname is going to be, I don't know, Sir loses a lot of money. You're not going to win, because the 1 minute time frame really doesn't affect the Forex market in a very powerful way. Most traders trade off of the 5, the 15, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. Okay, so once you have this all set up, this top toolbar up here is going to be your time frames. M1 is 1 minute, M5 is 5 minutes, M15 is 15 minutes, M30 is 30 minutes, H1 is 1 hour, H4 is 4 hours, D1 is 1 day, W1 is 1 week, and MN is monthly. Set your chart up to the 5 minute and keep it at that for now. Actually, let's just say 15 minutes to get you guys accustomed to the time frame that we're going to be trading from when we start the actual instruction on how the market moves and the patterns and how you can profit using those patterns. So now that you have your 2 currency pairs out, you guys probably you don't need to have your chart out. You can watch me if you want. You need to learn how to place an investment. Okay, so in order to place the investment, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can scroll up here to new order. You click on the new order tab, and what this is how you actually place your order and select the amount of volume that you want to place in the market. So for example, let's say you want to trade on the symbol. You see the symbol? That is going to show you which currency pair you're trading. So the symbol is set to AUD/JPY versus the Japanese yen. I'm going to change that to anything I want. So I'll just change it to AUD/CAD, right? Now I'm trading off the CAD. If I want to go back to the AUD/yen, I'm back at the AUD/yen. If I decide that I want to put in a position, all I'll do is I'll set my volume. 1.0 is 1 American standard, I believe. That's 1 standard. Sometimes it varies depending on which platform, so don't always take my word for it. But 1 standard should equate to about $10 a pip in profit. I'm going to go ahead and just place a 0.05 position, and just so that you can see. So what you'll do if you want to place a position is you'll set up your volume, you'll set the currency pair, you'll set it to market execution and not pending order. If you set it as a pending order, then that means that, I'll explain that later. Just set it to market execution and then either buy or sell. Buy means that you're going to invest in the rise of the market, and sell means that you're going to invest in the decline of the market, of that pair. Okay, so if it goes in your direction, you're obviously going to profit. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a sell order right now, and my order is successful. Now, once your order is in place, you can go down here to trade, and you can see your trade. Okay, you can see that my trade starts off out of the money. It's always going to start off out of the money. And right now, it's only 50 cents out of the money because I placed a small bet. So I'm going to leave it at that. Now, at the bottom, you can also see your balance. This is a demo account with $20,000 equity. My margin is 50 bucks. I have $19,949 in free margin, and my margin level is at this level. Now, what you're looking at here is you're looking at when you see the balance, that's how much money is in your trading account. The equity is how much equity you're able to trade with, and the reason why this can sometimes be different is because sometimes a broker can give you a bonus, for example, or sometimes there will be a higher amount of spread or something like that, and so you'll have more equity. So you have $20,000 in the market for, say, maybe they give you a bonus, which most regulated brokers don't do, but some do, like Forex Broker Inc. or Markets World or whatever the hell they're called.